the script of Sergio, the story of Sergio. So we believe that this story is already quality assured by the elders. So if that will be released, then are you willing to distribute, or you are giving with to us in the Department of Education to use that in our film review? Kasi because with the story itself, it is already quality short. Wala kaming problema dyan. So, actually, pasok eh. Sa criteria namin.
The stages in film. Story development. After the story development is pre-production. Then after the pre-production, you go to production. Story development, ito yung binubuo mo. Ano na siya actually? In fairness, it's a short story by Sir Amador Tidario. I mean, it's a recognized gem on Philippine literature, written in English. So, we have to adapt it in Ilocano. That on the stage, kung paano siya bubuuin as isang buong pelikula na sa 2 oras from 7 pages lang. 7 pages yung short story. It has to be expounded in 2 hours na film. So yun yung process. The story development and part of it is discussion with Danny, Sir Danny Dario, the eldest son of Amador Tidario. Hinanap ko siya. Saan ko siya nahanap? Facebook. Saan ko siya nahanap? Facebook. Sino ang magkoconnect sa akin sa mga Dario? At nag-connect nga ako kay Daniel Dario. Sir Danny Dario, who is actually in Australia. Okay? So he was 15 years old when his father died. Those are the elements, part of the story, development, discussion, and everything. Right? Fast forward, na-accept sa Cinemalaya, nagkaroon ng pre-production. The pre-production is the process when you undergo preparations for a shoot, for a film. Then, after pre-production is the actual production. Ito na yung sinasabi talaga ng shooting. Nag-shooting na kayo. Then, post-production. Yung post-production, ito na yung editing, pagsasalpak ng tamang sound, pagsasalpak ng tamang music, tamang sound special effects, kailangan mo ng animation, gano'n. Or special effects, so kailangan mo ng lumilipad na ibon ba dyan, or kailangan mo ng linisin yung chismis, kasi 1940s yung kwento ng pelikula, pero yung nakita mo yung 5-story house sa may gilid, hagit ng camera. That's part of special effects. Lilinisin yun. That's part of post-production. Doon kami nadali. Sound-wise, naging problema. So kaya kami bumabalik para ayusin lahat yun. Pero para mabalikan namin, kailangan pa ulit ng pera. So, hopefully when NCCA gets to release yung funds namin for the post-production, makakatulong kayo sa amin. Pero nag-post-production na kami, meron kang post-production na kailangan pa namin namutangan, tapos kailangan mayaran. So, ganoon talaga. And then, papasok ang after post-production, distribution. Initial release, the film was premiered, world premiere sa Cinemalaya. After world premiere, kung i-release namin ulit, kung outside the Philippines, is going to be an international premiere. And then, we are really hoping for a commercial release in cinemas. Kahit man lang dito sa North Luzon. After that is going to be distribution through schools, siguro. kung magkakaroon ng screening. If it's going to be taken by DepEd, ay pag-usapan. Kailangan natin siyempre pag-usapan. Kasi hindi, it's not something given in a platter for DepEd. Agad-agad. Di ba? We're actually paying shares to the Darius for this. So, saan namin huhugutin yun kung ililibre ni DepEd yun? Kaya na pag-usapan yan. Kung has to be tackled sa national office or wherever office, kung dito sa region, why not? Pero alam natin, it will not be free.
I will just comment nga sikat yung pinaka-first na iguro na nag-aramid ni film. Dapat po mga adamay ikakagawa tayo ng mga recognize so that you will be given the recognition kuma. Dagiti ko dagita ti trabaho ti ITMRs nga putar iti linted nga recognizing ni kastoy at kastoy. And then may sapay your film adamay ti nilili pagpagatayon nga adamay ti royalty share na dahil so nga dagijay ko na nga ipalibre kat numabalbalin ko makat kas lang ipabuyam na lang iti aduwa tao kat no sino ti kaya na ag-donate iti saan kas din na lang kuman you have also to protect the adati rights na data, adati interest na data. As per, kasi syempre tinagpunpundo di dapat government agencies tinagpunpundo dita. Okay, sige. But nevertheless, nagsusupport ka mag-piman. So you have to give them also the recognition. When it comes to DJ, DepEd siguro, since malagip ko, college sa, may isang subject migat data. Data wedding dance na data. It was a part of our literature subject data. Ng libro at inagbasaan, mihaan nga ang film. But since the film ng libro nan siguro you already have the means and ways to protect your work. Thank you.
I was very thankful for the Darius for their support actually. It came